Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with the demo. So as per your given instructions, we can control the columns where you want to select from and select check in the column and then result it in column BQ. Let me show you. So here is the control tab and here you can change the column. So let me give you a button control where you can start and run the code. All right, so here is the button you can see activate and you can click on this, and as soon as you will click on this will start running the script. And currently, our setup is that the order sheet will be checked in column BA and result will be output posted in column BQ. The column to be checked from is column A, and the value from column B will be written on column BQ as in the control sheet we have already mentioned. So, column A from target table will be checked in column BA, and column B will spit out the value on order sheet on column BQ. So let's run it and you can see here is the result. So let me show you by changing the column. So maybe let's change it to column BS. And now we want to have the column output in column BS instead of the column BQ. So if I'll run it again, you will see the matches here. Let me add another one. Maybe this one or this. Let's match this. And run it. And you can see it matched the RINC, skipping the P from the print. So RINT 6 and the replacement will be ABCD. So this is how you can add more and more values to this these two columns, and those will get checked in column BQ and result will be spit out on column BS. So that's it from my side. Thank you.